Vowels. A, E, I, O, U are letters that represent speech sounds made with an open mouth and no blocking of airflow. Sometimes vowels. Y, W are letters that sometimes act as vowels in words. Y often acts as a vowel, while W only very rarely does. For example, cat, pen, sit, hot, sun, sky, my, buy, try, cry, dry, fly, shy, why, gym, coom, cooms, cruth, cruths. Long and short vowels. Long vowel sounds that say the letter name A, E, I, O, U. For example, acorn, eagle, ice cream, oatmeal, use. Short vowel sounds that do not say the letter name A, E, A. For example, apple, elephant, insect, octopus, umbrella. Y is sometimes a vowel. It can make a long sound like in fly and a short sound like in gym. For example, fly, gym. W is a consonant. It has no long or short vowel sounds, but it can be part of a vowel sound in some words.